Hello guys, it's Decide from Digital Marketing Power. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install a fresh WordPress installation for the purposes of web development, since we're already in the digital world. So without wasting further time, you go and open a browser, a web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Then you go to the search bar and you type wordpress.org/download. It will take you to this page in WordPress site where you are able to press this button and download the freshest WordPress installation file. It will be a zip file. So I've downloaded mine and I've saved it on the desktop here so that it is easy to access. Then you double click on the zip file, and then you come up there using WinRAR, and then you extract these files to a folder in your C drive under XAMP. I'm using XAMPP for my web server. Then you go to htdocs, and then here under htdocs you click on htdocs, and then you go to new folder, and then you rename this folder to the name of the website which you want to develop. In this case, I am developing a website for Diva Motors, and then you hit on OK, and then OK. So it is going to extract all these files from the zip which is on the desktop into Diva Motors folder. Then once I've done that, I go back to the web page, and doing so, make sure that your XAMPP or your web service is up and running. I will show you another tutorial on how to download and install a web server which is XAMPP. So then you open a new tab, and then you type in localhost and you hit enter. So localhost there, this is my XAMPP which I'm using. So I then develop a database which is going to be interacting with my website. In this case, I've already developed one here. You just go to databases there, and then you write the name you want to name your database. In this case, I already developed mine, Diva M, and then you hit create button, and then it will be appearing on this left hand side here. As you can see here, it is here, and these are all the tables associated. All the tables will be populated here. So as of now, there's nothing here, but after this installation right here, you will see that it will be populated. So here you then write localhost / and then you write the name of the web site, which in this case is that one which we already renamed in our htdocs. So we said Diva Motors, and then you hit enter. So it will then give you this index here, and then you go to WordPress because that's what we want. Right, as you can see, these are the requirements which are required for the initial installation. So we hit on let's go here. Okay, so by default it will be filled with information here, but we are supposed to use the one which we have created in our database. So in my database, I call this one Diva M, short for Diva Motors. Okay, then here on the username, you remove username and type root, and then on the password section you delete and you leave it like that, and then here it's okay. Then you hit submit, and then alright, Sparky, you've made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with the database. Wonderful. And then you run the installation. Okay, site title. This is the title you want for the website. So it's Diva Motors. Okay, and then the username, I'll just write a dummy username. In this case, I'll just put my first name. Okay, yeah, so it automatically generates a strong password for you, but if you want, you can just delete that and put your password of your choice, which I am doing here. Okay, this is what I wanted to do. So it's medium secure, so it's okay like that. Then I say put my email address. Okay, then I install WordPress. Okay, so it will take maybe some 10 to 15 seconds, but it will finish. Yes, we are now up and running. So depending on what you want, you can save this password here if it's your machine. If it's not, you can just say never there, but in mine, it's mine, so I'm going to say there. So here you then log in, then it wants the password, which I put there. Oh, yippee, we're good to go. We are very much good to go. So this is the back end, the administrative side, where you'll be administering your website. Then you can actually see the actual instance as of now. It will be having default posts and pages by WordPress. This is a fresh new site. So for this tutorial, I think we are now okay up to here. Check my new tutorials on the next video. Like and subscribe my channel, because that's it. Thank you.